The Narvitech NJ300 capture box is a capture card that allows you to stream, record, and play Nintendo Switch and PS5 on your PC or laptop. It supports 4K 60 frames per second HDMI video pass-through, with 1080p 60 frames per second captured and output via USB. In addition, the NJ300 uses YUV uncompressed image technology, which brings you a low-latency gaming experience and high-quality live recording. So how to use NJ300 capture box? First, you need to plug the HDMI to NJ300 in your game console. Then, connect NJ300 to PC and laptop via USB. And for the last step, download the Screen Recorder 4 or OBS, and after you follow the instructions to set up, you are good to go. On the other hand, if you want to stream or record your exciting gameplay of the game console without sacrificing your gaming experience, just connect the HDMI out of the NJ300 to the screen. Now, you can record and stream while you play. If you want to record party chat with your friends on PS5 or Xbox, you can easily connect your headset and controller to the corresponding headphone jack on NJ300. Oh, and don't forget to download the Audio Control Tools software on Narvitech's official website. Last but not least, if you want to know more details about the NJ300 capture box, please visit our official website, narvitech.com.